Hi everyone, this is Sarah with May Handmade. I just wanted to share a quick oops lesson learned kind of story. So in a past video about the spring garden, I mentioned that we wanted to grow chickpeas. We love chickpeas, we enjoy them roasted. I enjoy hummus to go with crackers and vegetables for lunch, so chickpeas are a great staple of ours. And I could not find anyone that sold chickpeas at a decent price, so I just bought a bag from the grocery store and they did great. I mean, the plants now are pretty close to a foot and a half tall. Well, I had bought black turtle beans from David Seeds. I'm not promoting them, or they're not promoting me, but I have found that their seeds grow wonderfully. And however, the roly-polies ate pretty much all of the black bean sprouts, and so instead of ordering more and waiting for more, I just went ahead and bought a bag of black beans from the grocery store. Now I planted them and they have done wonderfully too. They're growing strong and great. However, the beans that I ordered from David Seeds, they were bush beans. We have raised beds, and I didn't want plants that were, not only are the beds 3 feet off the ground, but I didn't want plants that were additional 4 feet off the ground, and then I wouldn't be able to pick anything, so I wanted bush beans. Well, the grocery store isn't going to tell you if it's bush beans or pole beans because it's being sold as food, not seeds. And well, these beans were pole beans instead. So here, if you want to take a look. All right. So these right here, I believe, are the David Seeds beans. And they're doing good, but then we come to the store-bought beans, and they are definitely not a bush bean. So I'll figure out what we're going to do with it, but I just found it funny and wanted to share with you guys kind of a lesson learned that, yes, the 1 pound bag of beans may be only $1, but you never know what you're going to get with plants.